I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: MySQL Server, Workbench, and a NET project with a MySQL connector. Open Workbench and verify the DB user exists and can connect locally. Once done, copy host, port, database name, username, and password. You will need these values in your CHash connection string. In Visual Studio or .NET CLI, add the MySQL data or MySQL connector package and restore. Make sure your project's target framework is compatible with the connector version you installed. You now implement the connection in CHash. Create a connection string using the host, port, user ID, password, and database. Include pooling and SSL mode if required. Next, write a MySQL connection inside a using block so disposal is automatic. Open the connection and check its state. Execute a simple command like select one or show tables to verify connectivity. Once you get a result, add parameterized MySQL command for real queries to prevent injection and ensure predictable performance. You finish by integrating error handling and configuration. Wrap operations in try/catch to log MySQL exception details and close connections in finally blocks. If remote connections fail, make sure MySQL is bound to the appropriate interface and port 3306 is open in the firewall. Restart the server after changes. Also ensure the connector's SSL settings match the server's policy. One quick troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, switch the account to native password authentication temporarily and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.